Hi guys, my name is Hanzala Siddiqui and I'm going to demonstrate you how to clone a database using Rman. So let's see how to clone a database using Rman. So I'll just type some important steps. We'll just follow some important steps for cloning purpose using Rman. So as you can see here, I'm just typing. Just first of all configure parameter file for our clone database. After that, just make directories for our clone, and in add data control and redo directory in our clone directory. Okay, so first step is just copy the parameter file of your source database, what to which database you are going to clone. So from that database just copy the parameter file and just rename the R clone and edit that parameter file, and just configure parameter file from your source database side, and just add some two important parameter in that file, just db file name convert and log file name convert. And after that just you have to make some directory structure on OS level for R clone, and in R clone just create three directories, that data and control and redo. These three directories we have to create inside the R clone directory. Okay, and after that we have to create a user for catalog in suppose prod suppose no suppose my database name is dev. To dev I want to clone with Rman. Okay, so in dev database we have to create a user for catalog purpose. Okay, and have to give all the privileges, catalog recovery catalog owner and connect resource, all that stuff to that user. So in dev database we have to create that user. Okay, so third step is just create user for catalog purpose in dev, and grant all grant recovery catalog owner privileges to that user. Okay, after that fourth step is just we have to set the passwords set the passwords for both database, our clone rclone and your dev database. After that, sixth step is we have to configure, just configure some services, services like DNS and listeners, listeners. Okay. After that, just connect to Rman with catalog and connect to Rman from dev database with with catalog, catalog, and take the backup of database, backup of dev database and archive log all, etc. Okay, and after that just connect. After your backup is done, after you have done with the backup and change archive log all, validate and all that stuff, so after that at final step, this is the final step, just have to connect to Rman, connect to Rman from your rclone database with catalog and just fire the command and just fire final command, just final duplicate command, Rman duplicate target database to rclone. So this is the final step. After this step, or my rclone database will be open. This my dev database will be cloned with Rman. So I will go. I will now we will start this Rman cloning. So my user is Hanzala. My username is Hanzala. Okay, I'm just exporting. We'll see first of all my Oracle home and DBS location. What things I have. Okay, fine. So I have dev, prod and test, three databases. So I'll go with dev database. Okay, fine. So I'm gonna export my dev database. So my dev database gonna be start. So it's mounted and now it's open. So just select status from $instance. It's open. Just check the archive status, archive log list. It's archive mode. Okay, and just create p file from sp file. Create it. Just shut it immediately. So just exit from this init dev. I have my parameter file. So just move your sp file dev. Okay, so now we are gonna start first step. Okay, we are at first step. Just copy the parameter file of dev, just give the name our clone. Fine, so now open your R clone parameter and just remove all the unnecessary parameters from here. No need of that, these kind of parameters. So no need of db block size, db domain, db file diagnostic, dispatches no need, open cursor no need, processes no need, remote login no need, log archive permit no need. Okay, so this kind of parameters is are mandatory. So just edit, just remove the star dot, no need. Okay, fine. So so I'll just edit this my control file location, our clone control, and in control my control first. So I'll just go with only one control file, no need to configure all these 3 or 4 control files. So this now add the file name convert. So just copy this location and home Hanzala our clone data, and second parameter is log file name convert. Clone redo. Fine. So just save and quit and come to your old voice location, voice, and just create directory for our clone. So I'll just I have actually our clone directory, so we'll just edit our clone. So I'm going to just edit this rclone to rclone2. Fine. Rclone2, rclone2. Fine. So listener and TNS now. So just open listener file. I have test, so I'll just edit this test to dev, 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 and dev. Fine. And here rclone 2, rclone 2. Fine. rclone 2. Fine. So just save and quit. And after that just configure TNS to rclone 2. rclone 2. And this is for your dev. Fine. Just save and quit. Listener status list dev. So it's not started, so just start. So I'm starting so yeah, it's started. So my dev database listener is started, and now I'll just check to my rclone 2. It's not started, so I'll just start. Okay, so it's started. So just TNS ping to dev, and yeah, it's working perfectly. Now TNS ping to rclone 2. Now it is also working perfectly. So I have configured listener and TNS. I have set the passwords, and I have configured the parameter file for rclone. And now we have to just create a user in dev database for catalog purpose. So we'll go inside the dev database. This is dev, so I'll select status from instance. It's not started, so we'll start. Now it's starting. It was mounted. Now database open. So just check the database name, check the name from database. Fine. So I'll just create a user and grant all the privileges, that recovery catalog owner, connect, resource, all that privileges to that user u1. Okay, fine. So I'll do in only one command, grant connect resource recovery catalog owner to u1 identified by u1. So I have created a user u1 and granted all the privileges, connect, resource, and recovery catalog owner to that user. Fine. So it's almost complete. Rman Cloning. So we'll go. Now we have configured this parameter file, and we created a directories. And third step is, so just now I have completed third step, user catalog. We have created a user, and we have set the password, we have configured the services. Now just connect to Rman. Okay, Rman target catalog u1. Fine. So connect it database, just create catalog with that user. Okay, so now it's being, yeah, so recovery catalog is created. You can, as you can see, recovery catalog is created with that user in this database. So next step is we have to register that database with catalog with that user. Okay, so just register database. So it's now registering database in recovery catalog, starting full synchronization of recovery catalog full synchronization. So now our database is registered with u1 user. Okay, with catalog. So next step is just we have to run some scripts. Just we have to take a backup of database. Just change log on validate. Next is backup archive log on. Fine. So just enter. So now we'll just export my Rclone database. I'm gonna just start my Rclone database on no mount state. No mount. So it's showing memory target not supported. So so my backup of my dev database and archive log all validate all that stuff is completed with Rman. So and my Rclone2 database is in no mount state. Just check it out. So it's started. So my Rclone2 database is in no mount state. So and I have taken a backup. So we'll just exit from here and just check it out my archive is enabled or not. So my archive is enabled and okay, fine. So just exit from here and just connect to Rman, connect target sys Hanzala to dev catalog. Catalog owner is u1, password is u1 to dev and auxiliary. Fine. Auxiliary. Fine. So it's connected to dev database, target database, and connected to recovery catalog database, and connected to auxiliary or clone, which is in a no mode state. Fine. So we are at final state. We are gonna be perform final state, that is duplicate command. So we just fire the command duplicate target database to our clone. Fine. Duplicate no duplicate database to our clone 2. Fine. Duplicate target database to our clone 2. Fine. Just fire this command.